Howdy everyone, this is Grandpa with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Styles Apartments. Hey, we're gonna go into the Drey. I hadn't expected to do this, but we actually are gonna go into the Drey. We're gonna get some fresh footage of their model. So the Drey is the newest community here at the Village. It's really pretty. I know you're gonna love this. So let's go take a look at it. Let's walk in now. We're gonna see it. Really, really pretty. This is so modern and fun. A lot of my clients love the Drey, let me tell you. So this is the lounge kind of lobby area of the Drey. Now remember, it's a part of about 18 or so communities here at the Village. So each community doesn't have leasing agents. The leasing agents are all at the, they're at the main part, the main leasing building. So each building just kind of has, its own features. There's also the main amenity features, which we filmed a little bit earlier. So this is the Drey's lounge. It's really cute, very, very pretty. And we've captured this before, but I just wanted you to see it. And we've captured. Well, I want to capture it with this newest camera we have too. It's super pretty. Now we're going to go see the two-bedroom model. Can't wait to show it off. Let's go see that right now. If you have any questions, are you ready to see the Drey with a virtual tour, live virtual tour, or live in person? Send me a text right now.